Good evening. Good afternoon, guys. Basically, I'm just having a quick look at gold. We had an excellent trade from Monday, and we got out at 180 pips on that one. So right now, we couldn't get to take profit two, which is at 1390. Still, there's possibility, but there's one thing that I want to show you guys. Gold, what is gold actually doing right now? It's setting up for a big move. Let me show you what I'm expecting to see right there. Yeah, this is daily. So when you're looking at this, probably not making much sense what is actually happening here. It's actually continuation pattern. It looks as continuation pattern right now forming. If you watch this red line here, and if you do this, look at how the price is squeezing in. If you just say just connect up to that, it's actually price is trapped in a triangle, and this is actually a continuation pattern. There you go. We're going to see this. We're going to see this. I don't know how many times it's going to do it, but eventually we're going to see a breakout. Which way? You just wait and watch. So this is something to watch out for. If we get above this structure here, let's say 20, depending when this is going to break out of. It could break out of at here, which is 20. I would say 20. That's when you're going to see a break out of this this range. It's actually formed a triangle, which I didn't notice. So, what is the best thing to do? If we get to around 18, this is what I've been actually doing. I've been selling it every time there. I've been selling it here. I've been selling it there because I made my decision. I'm going to be a seller. I could have bought it here. I could have bought it there, but I decided to be a seller rather than buying and selling. So every time rallies, I sell. Every time rallies, I sell. Every time rallies, I sell. So this is what I've been doing every time when you look at the all the signals, sell signals. I wait for selling opportunity. So right now, potential buying here. We could have taken a buy here at 14. We could have taken a buy at 14 and target that 20 area. I'm just basically just waiting to see what it does here. Are we going to get a bounce again here and then continue down? Or are you going to see break out of this 20 back and off you go towards 50 to 15, sorry. So this is what is going to likely to happen right now is either we're going to see a breakout of 20 retest and towards 15, or we're going to see failed test and come back. When you're coming back, just watch out for this area here, which is pretty much touching 14. So it done it just now, about an hour ago, tested 14, and now it's trying to go for this 20, 18 to 20 zone. Here we could see bouncing back up here, and then if we break out of this 14, we could see breakout, retest, and then that move towards 60. So that is something for you guys to watch out. What is actually happening around those areas? This is 18, opportunity for short. Break above, opportunity for buy. Break below 14, opportunity to go short and target 80 to 60. And if we get another test here at 14, another opportunity to put a tight stop loss just below 14, and then we target up to here. And if we get break out of this area, then we just leave the trade running, because that's when we're going to see explosive move towards 15. So this is something that as a trader, you have to make those decisions. What you're going to do with that trade. And this is what I'm going to do. I see back to 14, I go long and target these levels. I see at 18, I look for short. But breakout above, I look for buy. So it all depends what is actually doing at these areas. I'm just highlighting for you guys so that you can watch out for those things, because it could happen at any time. I might not be available. So something for you guys to take note of, these areas, 18, 14, those are the levels. And this is something to watch out. This is actually as things stand, it looks as continuation pattern to me. It's actually a triangle. So when it's going to break out of this, we don't know. It could take a few days. It could take a few hours. All about getting above. Above 20 is when we're going to see boom, back test 40, possibly 15. We see breakout of here. Possibly we go and test this low here. You can't rule out 1325, but I'll be targeting 60. I'll be targeting around 60 from there. If I see breakout of this, my target is going to be 60. 1360. Breakout of here, I will go long and I'll be targeting 1450 to 15. So it's all depending what the market is going to do. My setup is there. And for small moves, 50 to 100 pips moves, this is where you can take 50 to 100 pips moves. You see back test 14, fail, you put your stop below and you target there. So that's 100 pips. You see price around 18 fails. What you do, you put your stop above and you target back to 14. So that is what you can do for short moves, small moves. But looking for big moves, this is the one I'm expecting big moves to take place. Above here, below there. Right, guys, I know I'm dragging for so long, but it's something a lot of guys looking to learn as well. So these things that might help you. And if you like the video, put your thumb up. And I have seen quite a few signals, all of them looking good. We're all in blue at the moment. So let's see. These are all the signals are more of 2 to 3 days trade. So let's see where we end up end of the day. Right, guys, take care and see you guys soon.